Domino's app featuring Hatsune Miku.
Japan, 2013. Domino's Pizza launched a new app, but this app has a special feature.
Hatsune Miku?
A collaborative effort between one of the world's most popular pizza takeaways and an anime character. Standard affair in Japan. So, what's so special about this pizza app? Well, it's Scott, the president of Domino's Japan. He's a bit of a character.
Hello everyone, I'm Scott, president of Domino's Pizza. Have you heard of Hatsune Miku?
Scott loves his work as much as he loves his anime characters.
From the menu to the order, it looks very cute, just like Miku.
He also provides us with the following description of the app.
Once your pizza's delivered, have some fun with Miku. It comes with a social camera function and you can take various poses, pictures of Miku. Very cool. And last but not least, the live performance. Start the pizza stage live and point the camera towards the pizza box, and the pizza box will turn into a live dancing venue. A live performance of Love for Night, produced by Domino's crew. Here we go!
So that's an example of the adverts Domino's Pizza Japan have. Scott's a massive character. He's worth checking out for himself. I'll leave a full link to the video so you can go and watch it for yourselves. Just something I wanted to share with you, had a little dissect of today. Thanks again for watching. Still on University, signing off.
Hatsune Miku?